Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement the past few days, and then you factor in today's volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. If you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above, let's see, what is that? The $2.10 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.10, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow actually manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this former breakout area, and that sits down around $1.95. So $2.10, $1.95, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher over time. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 210 would be great. But from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. On a couple instances today, the price tried to get up through that $2.20 mark and couldn't quite do it. So 220 is public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, I don't want to say resistance levels don't matter, but they really don't, because as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like this thing's been doing for the past few days, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and then just let the chart and overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.